Namaste, my dear friends and students. My name is Venkat Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims there to success made in India. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you indefinite integration chapter, one more shortcut tips and tricky question solution. Indefinite integration, simple and smart, super speed, sure success, surprise, made easy, shortcut tips and tricks solution with a neat and cute step-by-step explanation within fraction of 10 seconds, especially made for you. So I wanted to go to shortcut is integral a into e power mx plus b by c into e power mx plus d dx. So the answer is constants b by d into x plus cross multiply ad minus bc by our m into denominator coefficient of e power mx is c and the constant d. So ad minus bc by mcd into log mod denominator plus c. By using this formula I wanted to explain you some questions, that is integral 10 into e power 2x plus 5 by 11 into e power 2x minus 2 dx. So this is look like a into e power mx plus b by c into e power mx plus d dx. If you have like this format, you can use my logic with my magic formula, b by d into x plus AD minus BC by MCD into log mod denominator plus C. So here a bearing A is equals to 10. Okay, next to B is equals to 5, C is equals to 11, okay, D is equals to minus 2, and the power value is 2. You can check both powers are same, that is M is equals to 2. So before going to that, I wanted to find AD minus BC value. A value 10 into D value minus 2 minus B value 5 into C value 11. Let's say to minus 10 to the 20. Minus 5 into 11, 5 11s are 55. Here these two values are having negative symbol, you can write a negative symbol. Next you can add these two values, 20 plus 55 is 75. And next you can find the MCD value. M value 2 into C value 11 into D value minus 2. So place into minus 2, 11s are 22, 22 2s are 44. So next I wanted to substitute in the formula. B by D, B value 5 by D value minus 2 x plus AD minus BC value minus 75 by next to MCD value is minus 44 into log mod denominator ka value 11 into e power 2x minus 2 plus c. Next to last step, you can write minus 5 by 2 x, minus cancelled, then remaining value is 75 by 44 into log mod 11 into e power 2x minus 2 plus c is the simple and smart answer for this question. If you wanted to get like this type of more and more questions, you can check the description box. So many super speed shortcut tips and tricky questions are there with the solution within fraction of 10 seconds will come answer. So many questions are there, shortcuts, topic wise, paper wise, subject wise, chapter wise also, so you can follow. These type of questions will also help for like state board exams like Andhra Pradesh, CBSE, ICSE, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, like all state board exams in India, and also helpful for each and every competitive exam like MSET, KSET, NDA, BITSAT, WIT, JEE Mains and advanced, like all competitive exams in India level. You can follow. Next question, one more question, similar model question, integral 7 into e power 5x plus 10 by minus 8 into e power 5x plus 3. If you have like this question, you can follow my simple and shortcut formula. Integral a e power mx plus b by c into e power mx plus d dx is equal to b by d into x plus ad minus bc by mcd into log mod denominator plus c. Here this is look like a e power mx plus b by c e power mx plus d dx is equals to, the formula is b by dx plus ad minus bc by mcd into log mod denominator plus c. Very easy and short formula. Comparing the values, a value 7, p value 10, c value minus 8, d value 3, and the power value similar, that is m is equals to 5. So before going to substitute, I wanted to find ad minus bc. Ad minus bc, a value 7 into d value 3 minus b value 10 into c value minus 8. 7 3 is 21, minus into minus plus 10 8 is 80. 80 plus 21 is 101. And next I wanted to find mcd. M का value 5 into C का value minus 8 into D का value 3. Let's into minus 5 8 is 40, 43 is 120. Next I wanted to substitute in the formula B by dx, B value 10 by D value 3 into x plus AD minus BC value 101 by MCD value minus 120 into log mod denominator. Denominator value is minus 8 e power 5x plus 3. Plus c. Next last the best step 10 by 3x plus into minus 101 by 120 into log mod minus 8 e power 5x plus 3 plus c is the required simple short answer. Practice more problems. Next question, one more question, similar model question. Integral 4 e power x plus 6 into e power minus x by 9 e power x minus 4 e power minus x dx. But the given question is not in the form of integral a e power mx plus b by c e power mx plus d dx. The question you have to convert this form to this form. So I wanted to do some simplification, my dear students. The question is here you can check it 4 e power x plus 6 e power minus x. So 4 e power x as it is you can write plus 6 as it is, e to the power minus x is 1 by e power x divided by, here also denominator 9 e power x as it is minus 4 as it is, e to the power minus x is 1 by e power x. Okay, one small formula from 10th class, a power minus n is equals to 1 by a power n. According to this concept, e power minus x is 1 by e power x, both numerator and denominator. Next here you can take LCM. Numerator LCM is e power x. So e power x into 4 e power x, that is 4 e power 2x. Why? Because bases are same, power should be added. E power x into e power x, e power 2x plus 6 by e power x is LCM, whole divided by, here I wanted to take LCM. What is the LCM? Here also e power x is LCM. So cross multiply, e power x into 9 e power x is bases are same, power should be added, 9 into e power x into e power x, e power 2x. Next minus 4 into 1 4. So you can take cancellation, my dear students. E power x get cancelled. The remaining answer is 4 e power x plus 6 divided by 9 e power 2x minus 4. So the given value has converted into the original formula, 4 e power 2x plus 6 by 9 e power 2x minus 4. So I wanted to replace this value. This can be written as integral 4 e power 2x plus 6 divided by 9 e power 2x minus 4 dx. After simplifying we got this answer. Now I wanted to write a formula, integral a e power mx plus b by c e power mx plus d dx. This can be written as b by d into x plus ad minus bc by mcd into log mod denominator plus c. This is a simplification, easy short formula. Now I am comparing the values. A value here, a value is equals to 4, b value 6, next to c value is 9, d value is minus 4, next to power m is equals to 2. We got all values. Now I wanted to find ad minus bc. A value 4 into D value minus 4 minus BC, B value 6 into C value 9. 4 plus into minus, 4 4s are 16 minus 9 6 are 54. This can be written as, both are having negative symbol, you can write a negative symbol. 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 50 is 70. So total answer minus 16 minus 54 is minus 70. Next I wanted to find the value of MCD. M value is 2, into C value is 9, into D value is minus 4. So plus into minus, 2 4s are 8, 8 9s are, how much? 8 into 9, 8 9s are 72. 2 9s are 18, 18 4s are 72, same answer. Or 2 4s are 8, 8 9s are 72. Next I wanted to substitute in the formula B by D. B value 6 by D value minus 4x plus AD minus BC value minus 70 by MCD value minus 72 into log mod denominator. What is the denominator after simplifying value? 9 e power 2x minus 4 plus c. So here minus cancelled, 2 36 are, 2 35 are, here 2 3 are, 2 2s are cancelled. So you can write minus 2 3 are by 2 2s are into x. So minus cancelled plus 2 35 are 70 by 2 36 are 72 into log mod same value 9 e power 2x minus 4 plus c is The sweet required answer. Practice more problems. The question, one more question, similar model question. Indefinite integration chapter will also helpful you all competitive exams like MSET, KSET, NDA, BITSET, WIT, IIT JEE Mains Advanced exams. So you can follow my simple and shortcuts. You will get 100% of your saving time. So integral 3 e power x plus 5 by 2 e power x plus 7 dx. So if you have like this, you can remember my simple and smart formula. A e power mx plus b by c e power mx plus d dx. If you have like this, you can remember my logic with my magic formula. B by dx plus ad minus bc by mcd into log mod denominator plus c. So here I want to write a value 3, b value 5, next c value 2, d value 7, and the power value x coefficient is 8 Niranjan 1. So m value here 1. Now I am finding the value ad minus bc. A value 3 into d value 7 minus b value 5 into c value 2. 3 7 are 21 minus 5 2 are 10. 21 minus 10 is 11. Next to m c d value. M value 8 Niranjan 1. C value 2 into d value 7. 2 7 are 14. Now I wanted to substitute the values in the formula. B by d, b value 5 by d value 7 into x plus ad minus bc value 11 by mcd value 14 into log mod denominator. Denominator का value 2 e power x plus 7 plus c. There is no simplification. So this is a simple smart required answer. Practice more question. One more question, similar model question. Indefinite integration chapter made easy tricky solution within fraction of 10 seconds. The question is integral 5 e power x plus 3 by 2 e power x plus 7 dx. If you have like this, you can remember my logic with my magic simple formula. Integral a e power mx plus b by c e power mx plus d dx. So if you have like this format, you can remember my logic with my magic formula. B by d into x plus ad minus bc by mcd into log mod denominator plus c. Now I am comparing the values. A ka value 5, b ka value 3, c value 2, and d value 7, and the power x coefficient is m is equals to 1 Niranjan 1. Now I wanted to find the value of ad minus bc. A value is 5 into d value is 7 minus b value is 3, c value is 2. 5 7 are 35 minus 3 2 are 6. 35 minus 6 is 29. Next I wanted to find the mcd value. M ka value 1 into c ka value 2 into d ka value 7. 2 7 are 14. Now I wanted to substitute in the formula. B by d x, b value 3 by d value 7 into x plus ad minus bc value 29 by mcd value 14 into log mod denominator. Denominator value is 2 e power x plus 7 plus c. There is no simplification. So this is a smart required answer. Practice more questions. One more question, similar model question. Integral 2 e power x plus 5 by 3 e power x plus 7 dx. My dear students, if you want to get like this type of different type of shortcuts from chapter wise, topic wise, subject wise, so many questions are there in the description box. You can practice, you can save your time, you can get 100% sure success. The question is in the form of integral a e power mx plus b by c e power mx plus d dx. If you have like this, you can follow logic with my magic formula. B by d into x plus ad minus bc by mcd into log mod denominator plus c. Now I am comparing and writing the values. A is 2, b is 5, c is 3, next d is 7, and the power m value x coefficient m is equal to 1 Niranjan 1. Now I wanted to find the ad minus bc value. A value 2 into d value 7 minus b value 5 into c value 3. 2 7 are 14 minus 5 3 are 15. 14 minus 15, छोटा number minus बड़ा number, negative symbol, उल्टा 15 minus 14 is 1. So the answer of 14 minus 15 is minus 1. Next I wanted to find the mcd value. M value 1 into c value 3 into d value 7. 3 7 are 21. Next I wanted to substitute in the formula. B value 5 by d value 7 into x plus ad minus bc value minus 1 by mcd value 21 into log mod denominator. Denominator value is 3 e power x plus 7 plus c. Last, the best smart answer step is 5 by 7 into x plus into minus 1 by 21 into log mod denominator value 3 e power x plus 7 plus c is a smart required answer. Practice more questions. One more question, similar model question. Indefinite integration made easy tricky solution within fraction of 10 seconds by using my logic with my magic. Neat and cute step by step explanation especially made for you. Integral 4 e power x plus 7 by 2 e power x plus 6 dx. If you have like this format, you can remember my logic with my magic formula. Integral a e power mx plus b by c e power mx plus d dx. So you can use my logic with my magic formula. B by d into x plus ad minus bc by MCD into log mod denominator plus C. Now I am comparing the values. A is 4, B is 7, C is 2, D is 6, and the power x coefficient m is equals to a Niranjan 1. Now I want to find the value of AD minus BC. A value 4 into D value 6 minus B value 7 and C value 2. 4 6 are 24 minus 7 2 are 14. 24 minus 14 is 10. Next I wanted to find the value of MCD. M value is 1 into C value 2 into D value 6. 2 6 are 1. Now I wanted to substitute in the formula. B by D, B value 7 by D value 6 into X plus AD minus BC value 10 by MCD value 12 into log mod denominator. Denominator value is 2 e power x plus 6 plus C. Last smart cube step. 7 by 6x plus 2 table. 2 5 are 10, 2 table, 2 6 are 12, 5 by 6 into log mod denominator is 2 e power x plus 6 plus C is smart answer for this question. Practice more questions. Next question, one more question, similar model question, integral 3 e power x plus 5 by 2 e power x plus 9 dx. If you have like this type of format, you can remember my sweet and simple formula. A e power mx plus b by c e power mx plus d dx. This can be written as simple formula b by d into x plus AD minus BC by MCD into log mod denominator plus C. Now I am comparing the values. A is 3, B is 5, C is 2, D is 9, and the power x coefficient m is a Niranjan 1. All these values you can substitute and simplify. Now I wanted to simplify AD minus BC value. A value 3 into D value 9 minus B value 5 into C value 2. 3 9s are 27 minus 5 2s are 10. 27 minus 10 is 17. Next I wanted to find NCD. M value 1, C value 2, D value 9. 2 9s are 18. Next I wanted to substitute in the formula. B value 5 by D value 9 x plus AD minus BC value 17 by MCD value 18 into log mod denominator. Denominator value is 2 e power x plus 9 plus C. There is no simplification, so this is a smart required answer for this question. Practice more questions. If you wanted to get so many like these type of or different type of shortcuts, so many super speed shortcut tips, tricky solutions are there in the description box. You have to follow those shortcuts. If you follow those shortcuts, I promise you, you can save your time and you can get 100% sure success. Thank you. Next question, one more question, similar model question, last the best question, integral 7 e power x plus 8 by 3 e power x plus 5 dx. If you have like this question, you can remember my formula, logic with my magic formula, a e power mx plus b by c e power mx plus d dx. So this can be written as b by d into x plus ad minus bc by mcd into log mod denominator plus c. I am comparing the values. A का value 7, B का value 8, C का value 3, D का वैल्यू 5. नेक्स्ट M का वैल्यू पावर x कोएफिशिएंट एक निरंजन 1. सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑन दीज वैल्यूज एंड सिंप्लीफाई. पहले AD माइनस BC का वैल्यू करना. AD माइनस BC वैल्यू, A वैल्यू 7 इंटू D वैल्यू 5 माइनस B वैल्यू 8, C वैल्यू 3. 7 5 are 35 minus 8 3 are 24. 5 minus 4 1, 3 minus 5 3 minus 2 1. So 35 minus 24 value 11. Next MCD. M value 1, C value 3, D value 5. 3 5 are 15. Now I am substituting in the formula. B value 8 by D value 5x plus AD minus BC value 11 by MCD value 15 into log mod denominator. Denominator value is 3 e power x plus 5 plus C is the smart required answer, my dear students. If you want to get free study material, you can download Telegram channel. You can download Telegram app from Play Store. So you can follow my free study material by using Telegram channel. https like this t.me/aims dare to success. Here you will get more than 4,000 books, different classes, different subjects like maths, biology, physics, chemistry, like different author books you can get. So it is a free study material app. My dear friends and students, you can download Telegram app from Play Store and join by using this link. You will get more than 4,000 books. I wish you all the very best. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. To get success, a friend in need, a friend indeed. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. Thank you so much for watching my video.
If you satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. సబ్కా మాలిక్ ఏక్ హై. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.